Good evening, Madam Oracle. I'm currently single. Are you available for Christmas?
Meron po kaming kaibigan na magaling magbigay ng advice. Let us welcome on stage our Madam Oracle. Naka-theme po siya.
Good evening,
Friends,
my
name is
Donna.
Luisa Chu.
Miss Donna Luisa Chu is here to answer any questions. Kung may tanong po tayo, let's raise our hand.
Yes, Arian, we have a question from Jolene.
Hello, Jolene.
Bakit po hindi ako paboritong anak ng mama ko?
Siguro ikaw
Ang
pabigat
ng kanyang
pagluluto.
ugaliing maging
Tagahugas
ng pinggan.
para
Siya ay
ma-relieve.
Jason has a question over here.
Yes.
Magki-Christmas party na. So anong magandang irigalo sa cute kong crush?
Wow, anong magandang irigalo sa cute niyang crush?
Bigyan
mo siya
ng
libreng GC
galing
sa Starbucks.
tapos
Humingi ka
ng
isa. Tapos
magpalibre
ka din.
para
Sabay kayo.
kumain.
May gift na, may date pa.
Correct.
Arian, Christian has a question.
Yes, Christian.
Ano pong gagawin namin kung wala na pong unity yung dalawang boss ko?
Lumipat
Ka sa
ibang
partido.
Jin has a question over here.
Yes.
Do I pick a job that has a lot of meaning or that pays me more?
Job with a lot of meaning or higher pay.
mapapakain
Ka ba
ng
meaning?
Tony has a question.
Yes, Tony.
Paano po magkakaroon ng 138 million pesos na Christmas party budget?
kapag
Ganon ang
vice
president.
Ayun. Yun yun.
Pats has a question over here.
Yes, Pats.
Ilang taon na si Madam Oracle?
Oh, personal.
data
Is important.
so
Privacy is
important.
Ali has a question.
Yes, Ali.
Hi, good evening. When will I marry the love of my life?
Subukan
mong hanapin.
muna.
Bill has a question.
Yes, Bill.
Sino po ba talaga si Mary Grace Piatos?
Walang
Kwentang nilalang.
dahil
Walang nilalang.
Lucas has a question.
Yes, Lucas.
Kailan po kaya makakapag-submit yung mga groupmates ko sa research?
isumbong
Mo sa
professor
tapos gawin
mo
lahat.
Ensure that grade.
Attorney Jasper has a question.
Good evening, Madam Oracle. I'm currently single. Are you available for Christmas?
i-book
Ang spit.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Madam Oracle. We have Ariel, Chester, and Ding Dong.